Hello trainees, today we are going to learn how to make glued butt joint with dowel. The objectives of this video are: after this session you'll be able to gathering equipment needed to make the tongue and groove joint, making a tongue and groove joint, advantages and applications of tongue and groove joints. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make tongue and groove joint. Wooden piece of dimension 90 mm into 30 mm into 450 mm, 2 numbers. Jack plane, glue, pencil, bench vise, bar clamp 2 numbers, rebate plane, tri-square, Mortise gauge. Making a tongue and groove joint. First, check that there are 2 wooden pieces of the size and make sure that it is of the size 90 mm into 30 mm into 450 mm. If not, then plane it using a jack plane. Mark the tongue and groove using measuring tape, tri-square and Mortise gauge as shown. Make the groove part using a plough plane as shown. When making the groove, make sure that the depth of the groove should be 1 mm more than the width of the tongue. This helps in having more glue surface area, more ease of assembly and having a tighter fit. Make the tongue part using rebate plane as shown. The width of the tongue and groove should be 1/3 of the thickness of the plank. This is done to give the joint more strength and durability. When both the tongue part and groove part is ready, apply glue on the surfaces of tongue and groove parts. Use a brush to apply the glue uniformly. Fix the tongue part by inserting tongue along the groove. Check the alignment clamp in a bar clamp. Allow the glue to dry. Then remove the bar clamp from the joint. Finish the joint using a jack plane. Advantages of tongue and groove joints. Tongue and groove joints provide strong support for flat surfaces because of having 3 layers of strength where they join. Tongue and groove joints create a stronger bond than butt joints. Tongue and groove joints provide a large area for adhesives like glue, wood glue. Applications of tongue and groove joints. Wood flooring, wall panels, ceilings, table, cabinetry. Let's quickly recap. To craft a tongue and groove joint, gather wood pieces, a jack plane, glue, pencil, bench vise and bar clamps. Mark and carve the joint using specified tools, ensuring precise dimensions and adhesive application. Clamp, let dry and finish for a durable joint ideal for flooring, panels, ceilings, tables and cabinetry. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye until then.